Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of one of our FTP traders, Greta. Greta has been trading with us from November 11th of November 2020, and this is a review of the account up to the present date of 19th of March 2021. Greta has maintained a daily gain of 0.08%, a monthly gain of 2.42%, and a drawdown of 14.87%. The drawdown is slightly significant, and that's 4.87% into the available drawdown, but clearly Greta's had a review with the risk manager, and we've sat down and we've had a review of the account, and the risk manager has given her a second chance. And as we can see, Greta's had a total of 293 trades. But the most important thing that we have to understand from here is that Greta is on $30,000. Although hitting the drawdown 14.87%, Greta has come back to recover the balance and hit 10%. So this is very sustainable and resilient in terms of a trader's mindset. 293 trades were taken in total, and as we can see with this significant number, 227 out of 293 were successful, which represents a 77% gain, and lost 66 out of 293, which represents a 23% loss rate. Although the drawdown has been hit significantly, overall, a total of 293 trades were taken. So because initially the account was blown, but this trader has adapted the strategy and trading plan and now come back and preserve the balance and made 10% and significantly improved the statistics. Going into the drawdown, we can see the absolute drawdown was 13.19% on the 4th of December, followed by 9.14% on the 18th of December. So these were two of the worst periods. Going down from the advanced statistics, we can see the worst trade was on December the 4th for $1,104, and the best trade was for $308.50 on the 21st of December, which is approximately 17 days after. Looking at the trades taken, we can see quite a number of trades have been taken to hit the profit. But you know, the very funny thing and what I like about this trader, the trader has just traded one pair, just one pair, the Euro US dollar. So this trader has been disciplined enough to stick to one pair, just one pair. And in total, $134, 134 trades on the Euro US dollar, and we've taken a total of 1,631.70, and on the short side we've taken 159 trades and made a total profit of $27.51, which brings us to a grand total of 293 and 55.9 pips, which gives us 1,659.21. So this shows a percentage win rate of 77% and a loss of 23%. Very significant and quite remarkable. And the reason why these statistics are actually phenomenal because this trader's only stuck to one trade, one pair. And this is why the drawdown that we're looking at in terms of growth was significantly bad. But because this trader was disciplined and believed in the strategy and stuck to one pair, this trader has recovered and hit the drawdown again. Think of this as a double bottom, and this trader significantly grown all the way up. So this is very inspiring and very um, observant of the trader to see where the trades have gone wrong and where to improve and to have that advantage. It's very important in this business having the advantage because in trading you can be right or wrong but still end up in profit. And a few key suggestions I can recommend going forward with this trader. One, always make sure you've got the right mindset to trade. Number two, Are you chasing the market? Identify the market sentiment. Is the market in accumulation mode, manipulation mode, or is it trending? Or are there liquidity hunts at the time frames where you're looking to trade the market? Market structure is very important. Are you looking for the price action or candlestick pattern to determine your entry, your exit, your risk? And the one thing I do like about this account is being consistent with one trade. So maybe this trader might want to diversify and look into other correlated pairs. But as I say, do not fix what's not broken. So the only thing I can suggest is just keep on improving and try challenging yourself a bit, because as you challenge yourself as a trader, you get it right, you become more confident. And the more confident you come, the more consistent your results will be, because you have that passion and that energy to keep on trading. And as we can see, the lot sizes are very varied from zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.4 to 0.5, 0.9, zero point 0.1, and we can just summarize all these pairs as we can see. So significantly, we're doing quite well. So looking at 2020, just to sum this up, we were down in November by minus 4.27%. In December, we're up by 7.96%. Now coming to current month of 2021, in January, we made 4.63%. And in March at present 2.47%. So Greta is now on $30,000, and Greta, I wish you all the best, and I'll know you're gonna get up to the next level of 60,000 if you maintain this discipline and consistency. So I wish you all the best and take care.